Moo, says the cow. Moo, that's right. Pika. What sound does a pig make? Good job. That's right. Pig says Pika. Squeak. Squeak. Says the mouse. Squeak. Pika. Ooh. Ooh. Says the owl. Ooh. Ooh. It's big eyes. Ooh. Ooh. That's right. Good job. Oh, it's his eyes, huh? Pika. Cock-a-doodle-doo, says the rooster. Cock-a-doodle-doo, says the rooster. Pika. Bah, says the sheep. What about this one? Quack, says the duck. Quack, quack. Pika. Ooh, says you. Pika. Ooh, says you. You. Is it the baby? Where's the baby's eyes? That's your eyes. Good job. Good job. Where's the baby's nose? That's right, right there. Where's your nose? Where's your nose? How about your tongue? Can you show Mommy your tongue? Good job. No, gentle. Remember? We don't tear our books up. Good job. What's this? Moo. Is it the cow? The cow says moo. Moo. That's right. Gentle. That's the piggy. What does the piggy say? What does the piggy say? Good job. That's right. Pig says Pika. Squeak, says the mouse. Squeak, squeak. Squeak. That's the mouse's ears. Where are your ears? Good job. Very good. That's the owl. That's right. The owl says, ooh, ooh. Where are the owl's eyes? That's right. Those are your eyes. Good job. Good job. You are so smart. Mm-hmm. Ooh, ooh. Ooh, ooh. All done? Good job. Good job, buddy.